words of Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Thank you, Salim. So, firstly, I would like to start with my introduction first. So, my name is Janvi Karya and I'm from third year computer department. Now, let's talk about my skills and my members. So, like, I'm a part of Programmers Club, wherein I'm becoming industry ready. I'm also part of Language Club, wherein I'm learning French. And I've started working on cloud computing. Still a beginner in it. And my proficient learning is graphic designing. And I'm diving deep into Python. So, like, I'm also exploring Python in more deep. So this is what all about me. Now let's talk about my core members introduction. So I would like Faik Jatu to start with his introduction first.
Hey, hi everyone. My name is Faik and I'm from EHTC department and I also do programming. And I'm a part of this DSC team as a technical lead and I'll be the guy to solve your every problems related to machine learning and everything that comes over and under it. And in the past few years, I have worked on many projects that includes uh, credit card risk prediction and the bike ride estimation and cancer prediction, which involves various numbers of different machine learning algorithms from start to end. And one thing that drives me towards machine learning is the ever increasing presence of machines in our day-to-day life. And also I'm a hardcore learner and I learn by participating into different data science hackathons and online coding challenges, which literally challenges and which literally pushes my boundaries beyond. And that is what my motive over DSC is to make everybody over the AIKTC campus be able to tackle problems and by taking part in the DSC committee as a member. And I'm very excited to see you guys on board. Let's learn and grow. Thank you.
That's great, Faik. Next, I would like Shahid Raja to give his introduction.
Assalamu alaikum. Very good afternoon.
Okay, I think Shahid have some network issues. So let's get to Alfia. So Alfia, could you start with your introduction then? Till that time.
Good evening, everyone. Okay.
Okay, Shahid, please give your introduction.
Assalamu alaikum. Very good evening, one and all. My name is Shahid Raza and I'm from third year computer department at Anjuman Islam Salsika Technical Campus. I am one of the technical lead in DSC. I have joined DSC because DSC is a platform where we can discuss our ideas and share our views with or knowledge with other students so they can grow with us. And I got this opportunity too. Regarding my technical expertise, I have done several programming languages like Java, C, Python, and some technology is based on Python like Django, web scraping, and automation. Regarding my projects, I have done several projects on Django, on speech recognition or face recognition too. That's all short summary about me. Hope we will meet in further session. Thank you. Over to Janvi.
That's great, Shahid. Next up, I would like to request my female technical lead, Alfia Sheikh, to go next.
Good evening, everyone. I am Alfia Sheikh from second year computer department. Firstly, I would like to show my gratitude towards DSC, IKTC and our DSC lead Janvi Karya for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am technical lead of the team. All the queries related to Python and all the stuff related to managing of workshops and webinars will be undertaken by me. And I am kind of Python enthusiast and I am exploring into it. I have recently done a project in Python with OpenCV that detects everything, objects and everything in a real-time webcam and labels them. And I am currently working on a project that is analysis of students' data, wherein we are creating a website which analyzes students' data and represents it graphically. I would like to share my experience and knowledge with you all. You can share your interest with us in the feedback form which will be provided to you at the end of the session. That's all about myself. Hope we'll meet in further sessions. Over to Janvi.
That's great, Alfia. So next up, we have Aman Sheikh. Aman, would you like to go next?
Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon and very good evening to one and all. Before going towards my role and my skills, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Aman Fakhruddin Sheikh and basically I am from third year computer engineering department. In DSC, I am leading the domain mobile app development with Flutter. Regarding domain, we will discuss it later in further slides. But now, regarding my technical skills, I have learned several programming languages like Python, Java, Dart, JavaScript, jQuery, and many more. And regarding technology based on that language, I have learned web scraping, Django, Android development, hands-on with machine learning and deep learning, and many more, and etc. And regarding my personal projects, I've done several projects based on web scraping, Django, Android development, even with the machine learning, and etc. I've done several different projects. So that's all the short summary about me. So thank you.
Okay, that's great, Aman. Zaki, next I would like you to go next.
Hi everyone, I am Khan Zakir Ahmad from second year computer department and I am also the DSC web development lead. So talking about my coding skill, I have been C++ and Python developer and I've did many projects with Python framework like PyQt5 and Django and I've even did OpenCV project with web scraping and I'm currently working on my automation with Django project wherein it's totally automate website where all the thing will be done by the backend and user have to done just small things. And I'm looking forward to contribute with you all in upcoming DSC events. Cheer for peace and code. Over to you, Janvi.
Okay. Next we have Daniel, my UI UX lead, to go next.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Dolare and I am from second year computer department. So I am very glad to be a part of the DSC core member. So my role in the DSC team is I am the UI UX lead. So all the stuff related to UI UX graphics comes under me. This is a very creativity demanding role because the user interface is very important because the audience interact with the user interface first. So it has to be very creative, very good. So um, that's what the user interface is very important. And talking about my coding skill, I am good in Python, and I have also learned Java and C. I have done a project on Python which solves the Sudoku and visualize how the program really solves the Sudoku. And I have interest in Android development. I have also using custom ROMs and routing my phone, overclocking CPU, GPU from past 2 years. And also I have done a Li-Fi project which usually use light to transmit the data wirelessly. So yes, that's all about me. I am very interested to see you all in the team. So yes, Janvi, over to you.
Okay, that's great, Daniel. Please, Tausif, introduce yourself like you are last now.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. My name is Tausif Mushtaq Ali Sheikh and I am currently pursuing my undergraduation from Anjuman Islam Kalseka Technical Campus in Computer Science Engineering. For DST, I will be managing all the events happening off campus and on campus. Whether it could be an hackathon, whether it could be a workshop or sessions, it could be under my guidance. Uh, I am the guy who will be blamed for if the session goes excellent, good, or bad. Uh, for my technical expertise, I am an iOS developer. I've been working for several iOS development applications for several years. Also, I like Python as well as I know about C# for Windows application development. I am a learner and everyone is, and I will be waiting for you to be part of DSC and learn with us and upgrade. Thank you. Over to you, Janvi.
Okay, that's great, Tausif. Next up, we have our faculty advisor to Professor Mukhtar Ansari, sir. Sir, I will request you to introduce yourself.
Thank you, Janvi. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum and good evening to one and all present over here. Glad to see you all over here. Finally, the team is ready, and we all the members along with me, all the members are here, and we are doing this inaugural ceremony to initiate this DSC. And we all are working from last, I think, 10 days for making this team and for initiating the things. Now finally the things are ready. So first of all, I would like to thank Janvi Karia that she has worked a lot. Okay, I really appreciate her for her work, okay, what he has done. And coming to me, I don't have introduction, important introduction, but you all have introduced yourself. That's a great, and you all are having different skills. That's a great thing. Someone is having experiences and they have worked in the UI, UX, Python, and different languages. So you peoples are young, energetic. You can do all the things, all the stuff you can do very well. Okay, so okay. Apart from this thing, my name is Mukhtar Ansari. I'm assistant professor in computer department, working in this campus from last 10 years. Okay, 6 years in Polytechnic and 4 years in this degree college. And we have expertise. Actually, I'm having expertise in this networking domain, networking and security. Okay, few times I know sometimes I do programming in Android Studio also. So I made few applications also. After that, I'm having few interest, some interest in the web development also. So doing all this stuff simultaneously because we can't stick with the one technology, one domain. So we have to move here and there, lot of time as per the change of the subject. So let's see, we'll be together for this journey. Okay, that is the DSC. We came to know about this DSC very later, but if we came to know about this DSC, then we could have initiated this event lot before. But it's okay, there I. But it's a good for us now. Now we'll start along with the Programmers Club. We have started with with this club, that is DSC. Inshallah, we all together will do lot more good thing for us also, and for all the students also which are in the college, which are outside the college. Okay, So thank you so much, Janvi. Over to Janvi.
Thank you so much, sir. So next, like I know like everyone is excited and like curious to know about what DSC is. So basically, DSC is a platform where people connect with each other, learn new technologies, explore new technologies, and grow together. So this is what all DSC basically DSC does, and like the motive of the DSC is to solve real life problems. Like we might have many problems in our society, which by using some technology we can like overcome those technology. The next we have to help peers to grow in technology. There are people like who are like passionate to study like to learn new technologies, but they don't have a proper like resources or something to like encourage them. So we are here to like help our peers to learn more in technology. And next we have learning and spreading new stuff. That is like if I have some kind of knowledge about Python or about CorelDRAW, I'll be sharing my knowledge with you all, and in return that person have some knowledge about cyber security or machine learning. So in return I can gain my knowledge also. So this is what like learning together and spreading your knowledge. This is what the motive of the DSC is. Now let's talk about the sessions of the DSC. So first, like we have a solution challenges. So basically, these solution challenges like completely depends on the like at the end of the at the end of the DSC journey, we 10 projects will be shortlisted by the Google developers, and these projects will be made by the campuses which have DSC in their college. So by using two or more Google products, we need to make a project which is like in the last slide when I told you about real life solutions. So these solution challenges will be faced by us, and we will be solving these challenges, and maybe I'm looking forward to get shortlisted in the in that over the globe. So that's what all solution challenges does. Now hands-on workshop. So basically hands-on workshop is something like having a practical knowledge. If you're learning from some particular only by reading, then that will not work for you. So you need to have a practical knowledge by doing some projects and by gaining more experience in it. So next we have expert tech talk. So there is a whole tech lead where Google tech lead, that is like they will be providing us with some expertise in a particular domain or in a particular technology. So we will be like inviting these experts to address us, and they will be like sharing their knowledge and experience with us, and they will be giving us a right path to move ahead in that domain. Next up, we have study jams. So basically, study jams are 24 hours sessions wherein like people will have quiz activities, then problem solving definitions on that particular domain. So like if that person belongs to Python domain, then they will be having something related to quiz, all the activities related to quiz related to Python will be provided in that particular study jam, and like everything will be there in that 24-hour session. So now let's talk about boot camps. So basically boot camps is similar to hands-on workshop, but this is something which is like if we are starting from a similar one technology, then we will start from scratch to pro. So that is what like technology, like the boot camp, that is what we will face in boot camps. So like we will starting from the edge of the technology, and we will finish it at the advanced level. So next up we have Explore ML. So like in this Explore ML, we will be exploring machine learning, wherein we will start we will take sessions from scratch of the machine learning to algorithms to making projects. Like that is from scratch to advanced level. So like in this way, we will be exploring machine learning, and also in further sessions, we will be discussing about deep learning and stuff. So next up we have roadmap sessions. So currently this is not decided yet. In the couple of days, we will let you know about these roadmap sessions. So basically in this roadmap sessions, it is like the whole like 1 year roadmap will be provided to you, like what all the sessions we will be taking, and like what you can gain from it. So this is what all these are the sessions we will have in the DSC. So next we have is benefits. So by participating in these sessions, what will benefit you? So reigning certificates, that is after every session you will be provided a particular certificate, but you need to complete the activity provided in the session. So even only after submitting the activity provided in the session, you will be given a certificate on your particular mail ID. So that is what like reigning certificates means. Now letter of recommendations for top performers. So letter of recommendations will be provided by faculty advisor or by myself, or if you want, any core member will be happy to give you that. These letter of recommendations will provide it only to top performers. After conducting every sessions, as I said, after completing particular activity, we will be having leaderboard, and if that person is continuously joining us in all our sessions, and also like actively participating in our activities, also doing some weekly challenges, so that person will be provided a letter of recommendation by faculty advisor or by myself, or if that person wants from any of the core members, they would be happy to give you that. Next up, we have open source projects and team collaboration. So this is basically a hackathon kind of stuff, wherein in that particular period of time, you need to you need to collaborate with your team and complete some given problem definition, and you need to solve that problem by collaborating with your team, and the resources and opportunities will be provided on the basis of your on the basis of your projects. That is many of you might not be aware of Google Code in. These kind of opportunities will be posted on our Discord channel. So this is what all about open source projects and team collaboration is. Now let's talk about software development cycle. So basically, software development cycle just says that being industry ready, that is gaining their principles, ethics, and to get used to IT industry workflow, handling pressure, handling late I can say giving up on your sleep, something like that. So these kind of pressures will be handled in the software development cycles. So basically we will create a cycle of which will help us in the further IT industries. So untaught insights. So basically untaught insights are something like if you're learning from a particular website, you may gain 10% knowledge, but if you're learning from different websites, you will come to know about that particular technology or that particular domain more about it. So basically in the last slide, when I said when I told you about the expertise, so these expertise will share some untaught insights which you may get on the Google, but probably you need to dive more deeper into it. But instead you may get this by joining our sessions only. Now next we have weekly challenges. So we are working on these weekly challenges currently. So as per my knowledge, we will be discussing on the particular month. A particular month will be allotted to a particular domain, and in that particular month we will be posting some weekly challenges like problem solving definitions, I can say, or anything related to that particular domain. If you're choosing domain as a graphic designing, then you need to make posters and stuff like video editing. Everything will be there under that particular month and in that particular week. So that's what all about these benefits. And one more thing I would like to share is these sessions and these benefits are not only for computer department students. Anyone from any branch and stream can join us in the sessions and can take the benefits of DSC. So next we have is our domains. So what all the domains we have currently? So currently we have domains such as AI and ML. So these domains will be undertaken by Faik and Shahid. Faik and Shahid, would you like to speak something on these domains?
Yeah, sure, Janvi. Thanks for addressing me. So, as we all know, let me set the context for you all that what is machine learning and why everybody is talking about machine learning in the IT sector is. So first of all, everyone knows that computer is nothing but a hardware that follows your instruction. And as a programmer, what our task is to write the program for that machine so that it can complete our task. And the and the what is the role of machine learning comes into picture when we are making the machines implicitly learn about the things. And here we are writing the program for the data, and later on, once the machine has learned everything from the data, and after that, when you will ask anything from the data, the machine will be able to answer that for you in a fraction of second, and most importantly, more accurate results. And this is what the power of machine learning is. And in deep learning, as we move forward in deep learning, we are just leveraging the power of machine learning onto the different scale of data that is, I guess, that is nothing but the image format data. And I would like Mr. Shahid Raza to talk something more about deep learning.
Thank you, Faik. As Faik said about machine learning, deep learning is one of the part of machine learning itself. Basically, deep learning is a core of AI. And in deep learning, we are going to deal with neural networks, which are created to understand the complexity of data and complex scenarios like time series forecasting, face detection, and face recognition, and so on. So that is all a short summary about deep learning. We will learn deep learning in deep in upcoming workshops. So thank you. Over to you,
Yeah,
Janvi.
exactly, that's what the point is. And no doubt this all requires a lot of skills. You need to be good at mathematics, you need to be good at statistics, and you need to have a good command of programming language as well. And that is what the motto of DSC at AIKTC is, to make everyone start with these things that you are not that everybody is still afraid of touching, and erasing it completely from our campus, and make things work. And I'll be taking care of it that everything works smooth for you guys. And that is also the thing that drives me.
Okay, that's great, Faik and Shahid. So we will surely work on that. Next domain we have is full stack web development. These domain will be undertaken by Zaki. Zaki, would you like to speak on this domain?
Yeah, I would like to speak. See, basically, web development is a building and maintenance of website. So, if you want to do anything, you need to build a website for it. Now, for many of us, we think that doing HTML and CSS, that's all about a website, but that's not true. We need to take care of the back end. So, basically, the full stack web development means that this domain will be teaching you how to make website from the front end to the back end, like from HTML, CSS to the back end, like Python, JavaScript, Laravel. So basically, this domain will be teaching you how to deal with, mainly focus of this domain will be how to deal with the back end of the website, so that anything you make, you can create a website for this. Like for example, if you create a chatting app, so if you, for that you need to make a website too. Like we have WhatsApp, web WhatsApp. So how does the web WhatsApp work? We will teaching you in this domain section, and we are looking forward to you in this domain. Over to you, Janvi.
Okay. So next up we have domain mobile app development. This domain will be undertaken by Alfia Sheikh and Aman Sheikh. Alfia and Aman, would you like to speak on your domains?
Yes. Mobile app development is undertaken by me and Aman Sheikh. If you have any queries regarding mobile app development, you can contact me and Aman Sheikh. And we are going to use Flutter in the development of mobile apps. And Flutter is a UI software, open source UI software developed by Google. It is a cross-platform, and we can develop Android, iOS, Linux, Macs, and other apps. And over to you, Amanshi.
So, hello. So Alfia has just given the introduction of mobile app development with Flutter. I'm going to continue with the introduction of Flutter. So Flutter is a software UI technology which is delivered by Google and also maintained by Google. So Flutter is a cross-platform technology from which we can create from which we can create a mobile app for both Android and iOS with a single code base. Unlike for Android with Java and iOS with Objective-C, we don't have to write multiple codes for different platforms. Instead of this, we can write a single code with a language called Dart. From that, we can create a mobile application for both platforms, like Android and iOS for both. And and in future we will learn more through the sessions and workshops. Hope we will meet soon, and we will learn this from beginner to advanced. So that's all the short summary on Flutter. Thank you. Over to you, Janvi.
Okay, that's great, Aman. Now we have our head of department, Tabriz Khan sir. Sir, would you like to share your views on about DSC?
Yes, sure. Thank you, Janvi. Welcome and good evening all. I could not join on time. I'm in another meeting, and but still I wanted to take out some time so that I can see you people talking together, and even I can give some input. So the first thing is that, yeah, congratulations to each one of you to be the founding member of this DSC. And this DSC reminds me of our Programmers Club when we started the Programmers Club initially. So this we started, and Alhamdulillah, now you all can see that Programmers Club has a lot of winning things into its back. And I hope same from DSC also. I think you need to always keep in mind that this is a learning platform, and it's like we learn more by sharing our knowledge. So always remember that the moment you share your knowledge with others, the moment you make others to learn, during that journey we learn a lot. Okay, and this we always need to keep in mind. And with this objective, you can go in line with the Programmers Club. So whatever we used to do in Programmers Club, more or less the same way you can also work out the things. And I'm quite delighted to see that from beginning itself you have worked out different domains, and Alhamdulillah, you have good students into all those domains. And now what is expected that you keep learning into the domain. Do not think that people would come and ask you. Do not wait for that. Never wait for that. In fact, your learning journey should be your learning journey. Okay, and then whoever joins your journey, they will be learning. You should not wait that the people would be coming and then we will be saying them or we'll be guiding them. Okay, you just start your journey has been started, and keep learning, keep doing whatever you want to do. You are working on Flutter, you are working on web technology, or whatever technology you are working on. You need to keep on learning, you need to keep on doing, and meanwhile, whatever workshop we are going to arrange, whatever the sessions we are going to arrange, during those sessions, you can share your knowledge with others. And I tell you again, the more we share with others, the more we learn. Okay, and Programmers Club is something like your elder brother, or you can think of elder sister, whatever you want to, of DSC. And you can take guidance from Programmers Club. You can take help from Programmers Club. And this Programmers Club and DSC, for us, both are same. And for us, both will be always moving hand to hand. Okay, they will be always moving together. So whenever Programmers Club need DSC, DSC is there. And whenever DSC needs Programmers Club, inshallah Programmers Club will be there. Okay, so both will be working hand to hand. Fine. And I have a lot of expectation from you people, and I'm sure inshallah you all will be delivering a lot. And you have your faculty coordinator with you, Mukhtar Ansari sir. He will be guiding you, and whenever you need our support, we are always there. And with this, I conclude my saying, and I pray to Almighty that may Almighty bless you all with the success of year and year after. Okay, thank you very much. I need to leave because I have another meeting already going on, and I expect you people to continue your discussion, to complete your discussion, and start your journey of learning. Okay, please start your journey of learning. It has been started. I'm assuming that it has been started. Okay, so thank you very much. All the best to each one of you. Okay, thank you, Janvi.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Your time, support, and guidance will always be appreciated. And I'm really glad to be part of Programmers Club as well, because whatever I am today because of Programmers Club. So that is a big thing for me. Thank you so much, sir.
Janvi is a person who is into both the things. You know, she's already a member of Programmers Club, and she is you can say the founder and the initiator of DSC. Congratulations to you, Janvi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye all. Allah Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is my cloud computing domain. This domain will be undertaken by me. So basically, there is too much to learn about compute engines, virtual machines, and many more technologies yet to explore. So this domain will be taught, and like any doubts about these domains will be clarified by me. I'm still working on this domain, but I'm surely get back to you people whenever you will need me. So this is what all about this domain. Next up, we have cybersecurity. This domain will be undertaken by Daniel Dolare. Daniel, would you like to would you like to speak something on your domain?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So the cybersecurity is a domain of computer science or IT, and also system and network. So when you create a product or market-based product, you have to make sure that it is fully secure, that there should not be any data breaches, or there should not be any leakage of data. You have to make sure that all the data of the user which are with you is safe. This is not only about software part, it's also about hardware part, that where you store the data, it should also be safe, that you have to make a backup of data, and you have to make sure that the data is safe and it is safely delivered to the users. So this is all what we are going to learn in the cybersecurity, and there are more things into it, and we will surely learn it in the workshops. So thank you. Janvi, over it to you.
Okay. So next, now this is the activity time. Guys, check the chat box and we will have one URL. Just click on that URL and just type hello DSC AIKTC and I'll stretch the poll. So in your favorite programming language, just put hello DSC AIKTC, and this is a small activity. So just buckle up your PCs and do this activity.
You can use it on your mobile also.
Yeah, you can do this. You can use your mobile also for this, and just type the code 44543 if they asked you to type the code.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to take the reviews from you people. So we also have feedback form. So that will be shared in the chat box. So do make sure to fill the feedback form as well. And guys, come on, buckle up your PCs and just use your favorite programming language and just print hello DSC AIKTC or whatever you would like to. Oh, we have C++. Next. I ask n number of questions, so please not angry on me. Yeah, sure, you can ask as many questions you want. Tosis, can you please let me know, like, do we have some questions on the chat box? Please just read those questions.
Yeah, there's a question by Speed Cooper. He wants to know about how can he can join the DSC community.
Okay, so like we will be sharing a post like that is like how you can be a member of DSC. So like that you will stay updated with our social media accounts. So you will in a like within a week you will get to know about how to become a member of DSC. Good initiative, guys. Thank you so much. Tosif, is there any more questions?
Nope. Just Mohibuddin is very excited to look forward for the participation with us.
That's great, Mohit. We will surely let you know about.
Hi. Yeah, one more. There's
DSC.
one more question. Can we have a robotics domain by Mohibuddin?
Yeah, of course we can have a robotics domain as well. Of course. But due to hardware limitations, we can work on emulators, I can say.
One more question by Mohibuddin. He wants to know about if we wanna use Raspberry Pi or something development in Raspberry Pi.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
He wants to know कि in future we would be using Raspberry Pi or something in that domain or not.
Of course, we will love to do that. Yeah, we will surely work on the Raspberry Pi also.
Faridur Rahman wants to know when our sessions will be starting.
We are working on it. By the end of this month, we will surely have a session. I don't know about on which technology or on what we are on still working on that. But stay updated with our Discord channels and also on our social media. So you will be you will get all the updates about our sessions by the end of this month for sure. And Mohib, we can discuss it on Raspberry Pi. Like if there is a person like who wants to get the domain of this robotics and stuff, we will surely involve that person to share his domain with us.
Yeah. There's another question by Samir Sheikh. He wants to know more about the peer-to-peer learning, which we talked about. He wants to know more about it, about how will it work.
Okay, so basically peer-to-peer learning will work if the person have the knowledge of machine learning and this another person have the knowledge of deep learning, so they can collaborate with each other and they can come out with some good project. So that is what a peer-to-peer learning means. Like for example, if by conducting workshops, by taking by doing boot camps, we will be able to dive more deep into our domains, and this is how we people will help you out in learning more about your domains.
Yeah, one more question by Mohibuddin. He wants to know whether DSC will help in him with some projects of their own.
Yeah, of course, DSC will love to help you in that if that project depends on some real life solution. But Mohib, you can surely take help of any of the core members, whenever you need them for your project. So you can contact any of my core member to help you out with that. Everyone will be happy to do that. In fact.
Yeah. Heya wants to know how to become a member of DSC club.
Yeah,
DSC
guys.
club.
Obviously, I understand like you all like everybody is excited to become a member of DSC club. In a shortly we will share the whole procedure of joining DSC of becoming DSC member in the social media accounts, and we'll surely let you know about this whole process. Any more questions?
Samir says best of luck.
Thank you so much, Samir.
Thank you, Samir. Thank you so much.
Do we have any more questions? Tausif, just scroll the poll now.
Yeah,
I want to.
Oof.
Oh, we have Shell also. Shell language.
Amazing, amazing response. Guys, really amazing.
Someone also wrote English.
He is God of all. Yeah, actually.
Yeah, he's God. He's up.
Someone has written in Ruby also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There's one more question by Rizwan. He wants to know whether we're gonna use only Flutter or React Native also
Uh, like I
for
don't know.
mobile, for app
For
development.
mobile app development, yeah,
Yeah,
obviously
yeah.
after for now we just have Flutter lead with us.
With us.
So yeah, so like for now we have only Flutter lead, and if time permits, or if we get to know more about React, we can use that also. Like we can take sessions on that also, like if anyone have like to be would like to do a volunteering of this thing. We have more Python enthusiasts here. That's great.
There's a question from Samir. He wants to know how we see Programmers Club.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
He wants to know how we see Programmers Club.
How he see Programmers Club?
Yeah, yeah. What are views on Programmers Club?
Oh, Programmers Club is like DSC and programmers are like brother and brothers. So like everything is going to go hand in hand. Like we will be collaborating with the Programmers Club, and also we will be conducting sessions together. So there is nothing yeah, there is always the DSC and Programmers Club will go hand in hand. Any more questions? Okay, so should we end this?
Wait, one more question. Samir wants to know is Programmers Clubs are healthy competition.
No. There is no competition with Programmers Club. We are like, in fact, DSC is also a part of Programmers Club, but within the Programmers Club. That's it. There will be no competition, Samir.
He got the point. Let me share the feedback form for you guys. Feel free to fill the feedback form and let us know how you thought about this session. Thank you to you too, Mohit, for joining this session.
Okay, should we end this now?
Yeah, I've provided the feedback form and That's it. Thanks for joining.
Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining. Really
Thanks for
appreciate
joining,
your
joining.
time.
guys.
Thanks for joining, guys.
We
We are
really,
waiting for
really appreciate your even more
Thanks for joining, guys.
participation.
Hope we will meet soon.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
There are links of social media in the description, so you all can follow and stay updated with any kind of announcement.
Yeah, yeah. Provide a Discord link.
It is there in the
It has been
description.
updated.
Check the description down below. There something I don't know.
And guys, please give your precious response or feedback so we can understand what you want from us.
Sure. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.